Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my April 2021 Boxycharm Premium unboxing. Oh, thank goodness this is finally here. I feel like this came so late for me this month. I already got my Boxycharm base box, my Ipsy Glam bag, and my Ipsy Glam bag plus a while ago at this point. So all of those unboxings are up on my channel if you're curious to see what I got in those this month. And I've also already done all of my makeup reviews for all of the makeup products that I got in my other Ipsy and Boxycharm subscriptions for the month. So I'm really excited to get into these products here. So if you're not familiar with the premium box, it's $35 a month and it's a monthly beauty subscription box. I usually love the Boxycharm Premium. I usually get such great value, awesome brands. So let's hope I get that this month. So here is how it looks. Oh, on top, looks like there's something interesting. But first, love that there's product information here. The theme, Sweet Treats. Not that I feel like the products ever really follow a particular theme for Boxycharm, but the product that's here on top is Rose Quartz, feeling vibrations in your incredible Crystal Ball Roller Gloss Duo. What are these for? Okay, so thank goodness for product information. This is from the brand Incredible Cosmetics, which is a brand company I've never heard of, and it's Crystal Ball Roller Gloss Duo. The glossiest roller ball to date has launched with a crystal roller ball to cool and soothe lips. Oh, so it's a lip gloss. Okay, now that is cool and something I'm excited about. I thought it was maybe a perfume when I first saw it. See, here's what it looks like. It's a bit of a glare, but yay, I love lip glosses, and these definitely seem unique. They have a retail value of $24. So all of the makeup products that I get in this box, I'll be saving for full dedicated review videos that I'll be putting up on my channel here as part of my Trying a New Makeup Product Every Day series. So definitely let me know in the comments down below if there are any products that I pull out that you are extra excited for me to review first. So let's see what else I got. Here's how it looks. Ooh, I spy a Natasha Denona product. I think it is so awesome that we get Natasha Denona in Boxycharm because Natasha Denona is a brand that I had been wanting to try for years. I feel like ever since I started watching makeup YouTube videos, I wanted to try Natasha Denona products, but they're so expensive. And now through Boxycharm, I have tried out two different Natasha Denona little eyeshadow palettes. The one that I got this month in my regular Boxycharm box, my Boxycharm base box, I love. And the eyeshadow look that I created in that video is one of my favorite neutral looks. It's so pretty. I love that eyeshadow palette. But so what we have here is the Transfix Matte Concealer. Oh my gosh. I'm not even sure I knew that Natasha Denona made concealer. I don't think I've heard anything about this concealer, but I'm so excited because, like I was saying, I love being able to try Natasha Denona products, but I also love concealers. I love complexion types of makeup products, and I rarely get them in Boxycharm or Ipsy, so this is doubly exciting. The shade hopefully will work for me. I feel like it looks a little bit dark right now, but we're gonna give it a go. The shade is called 5R Red Rouge. That doesn't sound right. Red Rouge for a concealer? Maybe that's the undertone. Red undertone. But so let's see the retail value on this. The Natasha Denona Transfix Matte Concealer, retail value of $28, which for concealers, like higher end concealers that you get at Sephora or Ulta, $28 I feel like is kind of in line. I'm thinking like Tarte Shape Tape, something like that. So that's not as crazy expensive as maybe I would have expected, but I can't wait to try that out. Oh my gosh, yay. Next, this This is pretty packaging, but from the brand Nature, Luxe, and Willow Reusable Makeup Remover Pads. Well, not the most exciting product to get in my opinion. I mean, it's no Natasha Denona concealer, but I love makeup remover reusable pads like this. I've been using these for years now. I have not used cotton balls in probably like 5 years because I buy the reusable cotton rounds exactly like this. So yeah, they are like a terry cloth texture, comes with 4 of them. I have to say, like, I've tried out so many of these types of products by now that I don't like when they're white like this. I prefer when they're black because they get stained so easily. But some more to add to my collection. And if you have not tried out or done the switch to reusable cotton rounds, I highly recommend it. I just throw them in the wash and it's great. So the Luxe and Willow 4-piece reusable bamboo makeup remover pads have a retail value of $20. So they're antimicrobial. It doesn't say if you use them without any makeup remover product on them or if they work on their own the way other, like the magic eraser, is that what it is, makeup eraser? Like you don't even have to put any product on it, you just wet it and it takes the makeup off completely. So I can't really tell any information on if you need to do that or not, but I guess I'll find out. Next up, ooh, this is a huge palette, oh my gosh, and it's from Iconic London. I love Iconic London eyeshadow palettes. I have another huge Iconic London eyeshadow palette and it's all neutrals and I love it and I reach for it all the time. And this one here is the Sunset to Sunrise eyeshadow palette. What? Oh my gosh, I need to get into this. I need to see what this looks like. I am so excited. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Okay, stop it. This is amazing. So many beautiful colors, the beautiful packaging, the big mirror. Oh my gosh, so many gorgeous shimmers and sparkles that I'm seeing, which you know I love. Some gorgeous pops of colors. I love these warm tones. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait to try this out. This looks amazing. Exactly what I love in an eyeshadow palette. Wow. I feel like I've gotten some of the most exciting, amazing products so far in this box, and then one of the, this sounds mean, but the most boring, least exciting products I've ever gotten in a box. It's like, oh my gosh, to oh my gosh. Let's see what I'm gonna pull out next. Oh, and by the way, the Iconic London Sunset to Sunrise eyeshadow palette retails for $62. That is very expensive in my opinion. Wow. All right, so next, looks like that's everything that's in here, but it's not. There's some more products underneath. Ooh, now here's a product from 111 Skin, which I've tried out quite a few products from 111 Skin through Ipsy and Boxycharm, which that's the only way I'm trying them out because this is an expensive skincare brand. And what I got here is Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. These sound familiar, like maybe I've tried these before, but I love masks. I like to do a mask day once a week. And it's like there's 5 of these rose gold masks. Looks like a sheet mask maybe. Ooh, very luxurious. And so these 111 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask 5-pack, retail value of $135. See, that's crazy, $135 for 5 sheet masks. Like never, ever, ever would I pay that. But I get to try them out through Boxycharm through a great deal, which I'm very excited about. And the last product in here is from Dose of Colors, which I love trying out Dose of Colors products, especially lip products. And this is the lip liner in the shade Honeymoon. Well, I love a good lip liner. Let's see what color this looks like. Ooh, cool packaging. Ooh, and I like that it's the twist up. It looks like it's like a peachy nude shade, which seems like a lip liner color that I am going to love. Not the most exciting makeup product, or could just be compared to the other makeup products I got in this box, but I am still happy to get this and definitely something I can get good use out of. And the Dose of Colors lip liner retails for $14. I feel like I'm going to have really high retail value from this box this month. So let me do a quick recap. So I got the Natasha Denona concealer, the Incredible roller glosses, the Dose of Colors lip liner, the 111 Skin masks, and the iconic London eyeshadow palette, and the reusable makeup remover pads. And that brings me to a total retail value of $283. Yeah, that's so much value for me spending $35 on this box. Like, I think this is such a great box for me this month. I got such awesome brands that I'm so excited to get. I got a good range of products, some really great skincare, eye makeup, lips, face makeup. So I am definitely not disappointed with this box. I can't wait to start trying out these products. Oh my gosh, I don't even know which one I'm gonna try out first. The concealer? The eyeshadow? I don't even know. I just want to try them all, and I will be trying them all very soon. So if you've tried any of these products, I would love to hear your thoughts on them in the comments down below. And I also love to hear what you got in your April 2021 Boxycharm Premium Box. So let me know all of that in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.